So today we're gonna see this packet of these tools, special tools for cables, for different kind of connectors. All right, so we have a pretty solid package. It's how many are there? All right, so yeah, the handle, it's a rubbery material, so so holding it, it's pretty good. It's a very good. It's a clever design. I don't know for which tool you might use this. There are so many of them. It reminds me of a connector for the electronic cables. So here we have a pin, pretty the same but different sizes. Alright, so this one kit, here we have the other. So this one actually doesn't have this cool handle, but it's okay. I don't know why they are separated. So two different sizes and one, I don't know. Alright, so here we have other similar. This one looks like a hook. They're pretty similar, just different sizes. Just one single pin, two other, a bigger one. What's that? I don't know why someone used this, but all right. I have never seen these type of connectors. Yeah. All right, I don't know. Perhaps you might need it for different type of cables. So that's it.